back to Crypto News Network. Today in Crypto News, I want to talk about the startup Xapo, which holds private Bitcoin keys representing roughly 7% of the world's Bitcoin supply in cold storage, underground, and 7. Next, an announcement coming from the company Circle just today. Their recent funding round was backed by BitMain and Goldman Sachs and others. Lastly, I want to talk about iPhone maker FoxConn, who is funding Cambridge Blockchain, who is developing software for secure identity management through blockchain technology. Institutional money is one of the top factors affecting cryptos in 2018. Xapo is a startup that is responsible for storing roughly 7% of the world's Bitcoin supply and a network of underground vaults on 5 continents. Xapo is an institutional-grade solution for securely storing Bitcoin keys buried underground in secure cold storage, managing the keys and making the investment in Bitcoin more attractive for traditional money managers, as well as for wealthy people that choose not to hold their keys themselves, mainly due to security reasons. It's true that for many people, holding their private keys is a high technical hurdle. It's basically making you your own bank. Xapo prioritizes compliance with the law in addition to security. Xapo is extremely geared towards security for their billionaire clients because especially with these high-dollar investments, one really can't afford to take any risks in securing it. Next up, I want to talk a little bit about Circle's USDC token, which is tied to the US dollar, and now it's backed by BitMain and other powerful companies. Purchasers are required to hold $1 for every USD coin, making it a stable coin, which aims to solve the key issue of volatility for most cryptocurrencies by pegging it to the US dollar. A fiat stablecoin helps with creating standards for how fiat money can move over blockchains. This is one key goal of Circle as an early step leading to wider adoption of cryptocurrency. A focus on compliance sets the USDC apart from previous stablecoins by operating with a high degree of operational and financial transparency. Announced today, BitMain led the Series E fundraising round for Circle, which raised $110 million in total, and has also included Goldman Sachs. BitMain CEO Jahan Wu has expressed interest in backing high-tech alternatives to central banking, making this a good partnership. Circle will be the first issuer of the USD coin, but not the only one. Circle offers a group of services including investing, trading, when they bought the crypto exchange Poloniex, and a payment app for sending money between currencies to friends. Lastly, another funding round was completed with big players funding the development of blockchain tech. Mega conglomerate FoxConn backs blockchain identity startup Cambridge Blockchain. Software developed by Cambridge Blockchain will help global supply chains in the management of IoT connected devices. HCM Capital from Taiwan is the investment arm of FoxConn, and this is just one of its many investments in blockchain companies. Cambridge Blockchain raised $7 million in the Series A funding round, and according to Matthew's comments, the founder and CEO of Cambridge Blockchain, this funding is a critical milestone and reflects the progress we've made in becoming the leading blockchain-based identity solution for enterprises. Lots of big news in the blockchain world unfolding every day. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the full stories, which will be linked down below.